Vic Saludar, although he is already 33 years old, I think he's a Oh! That right! Oh! That left again!
Tuon ang laban ni Dev Apolinario sa bansang Japan kontra Tanis Ombunto na isang Thailander. Nagpalitan agad sila ng mga malalakas na suntok, at unang bumagsak ay si Dev Apolinario. Ngunit sa round 4, siya ay bumawi ng pinabagsak niya ang Thailander ng 2 beses.
Pilipinas. That was against Sibanati Lochinga in South Africa. For boxer, stylist, and he is a power hitter, but now he's displaying some power. 4-punch combination, no response.
Isang matapang na Japanese naman ang dumayo sa ating bansa para hamonin ang mas malaking Pinoy na Benensagang the Filipino pinumpara sa WBO Global Light Flyweight Championship match.
Ishizawa absorbing some punishment. That's a left hook to the head. More shots to the head coming from Sugano. Final seconds of round number 1.
Ang Japanese na si Kai Ishizawa ay sugod ng sugod at sinasalo ang mga power punches ng Pinoy na si Reggie Sugano.
Ishizawa still moving forward, trying to control the ring generalship here. Siyempre sa pagbubukas sa round number 2.
Sinubukang mag-counter-attack ang Japanese ngunit ito ay hindi umuobra.
The only positive working now on the side of Ishizawa, he's not allowing his opponent to move forward. Medyo sumandal doon. Another uppercut, and this time Ishizawa says bring it on. Another right hand here from Sugano. Ishizawa of Japan, the challenger. Oh! Ishizawa got staggered there by the left hook coming from Sugano, and another one. Ishizawa is down. The blood is coming out of Sugano's head, and Ishizawa smells the blood.
Sa round 8 tinapos na ni Suganov ang laban at sa huli ay may hindi inaasahang pangyayari ni
That
Ishizawa.
right hand earlier sent Sugano backwards. Nakabawi na ba? 3-punch combination, all power shots. Another connection to the head, and throwing in the towel. The side of Ishizawa, it's over! He's got the oxygen on. He's pointing to his head. I'm not quite sure if he felt something there sa kanyang ulo nung siya'y pabagsak na. Actually, he did go down after Dandrak doesn't stop the fight.
Ang veteranong Pinoy naman na si Vic Vicious Saludar ay hindi nag-aksaya ng oras kontra sa dayong si Sanchay Yotbo ng Thailand para sa vacant WBO Oriental Minimum Weight title.
Yung Vic Saludar, although he is already 33 years old, I think he's a Oh! That right! Send Yatbun down on round number 1.
Wow! Vic Saludar with 24 wins, 6 losses, and he's out!
He never know what hit him.
After matalo si Marlon the Nightmare Tapiles kay Naoya Inoue. Bumalik siya sa Luna para labanan ng doyong Sinotipong Jankeo ng Thailand.
Oh! That left again! Send
Pinakita ni Tapoles kung bakit siya ay binyansagang The Nightmare.
55 seconds on round number 1.
But Marlon is set to keep him down. Another left hand for Marlon Tapales.
A first round down the new WBC Continental Asian Super Bantamweight Champion.
And you wonder why guys lie when they say that when they make weight, right? It's like,
Ang fight debut ni Welgen Mindoro sa USA laban ni Tyler Goodjohn ng UK sa middleweight division.
2012, 2011, you know, a solid pro for him. Oh, good shot. Bare knuckle fights as well, so a ton of experience for Goodjohn, and he's trying to use that.
Pinatunayan ni Mindoro na ang kanyang mga suntok ay may taglay na knockout power kahit saan mang sulok ng mundo siya lalaban.
chance to attack from Mindoro. You guys talk about it all the time.
Oh,
Catch and
good
shoot. Nice
shot from Mindoro, and down goes Goodjohn. Popping up a little too early.
At tinapos agad ni Mindoro ang labang ito via knockout.
Such thing as being too tough for your own good.
Big
And
shot.
Goodjohn getting into a firefight. Doesn't have his like second knockdown of round number 2.
I was gonna say, going punch for punch with a puncher like Mindoro, not a good idea for Goodjohn.
Legs aren't under him. Could this be it?
Referee to the
He
step
may
in.
have to hold here. Let's see if he holds.
All the body
Goodjohn
shots too.
not the holding type.
Punch in between. Can't knock the heart of Goodjohn.
Trying to fight fire
Stop
with
it here.
fire, and it's over. That isn't the kind of fighter Goodjohn is.
Ang brutal na laban at non-stop action ng ating kababayang si Pedro Taduran laban sa defending champion na si Genjiro Shijoka ng Japan.
顔つけ合ってるようなそんな近い距離この距離でこの顔はこれちょっとくれちゃったじゃないですかちょっと今反則いいパンチだ田村勝負にしましたねこれ田村打ち落としてきましたこすった今度ボディ田村に連打連します止められるぞ銀次郎この結構おおさあまたラッシュだ止めにかかってきました
Nitong laban pinakita ni Taduran ang kanyang tibay at lakas.
あと残り時間から言っても千載一遇のチャンス
Pinilit man ni Shijoka na makasurvive ngunit sa round 9 tinuldukon na ang laban.
大丈夫かという OK といううなずきました重岡銀次郎左ストレート容赦なくタクラン迫っていきます銀次郎下からのパンチこれは食い止めました銀次郎はつけることができない体をつけることができ
Si
ません
Taduran ay naging new IBF World Minimum Weight Champion, samantalang si Shijoka naman ay ikinorga na lang sa stretcher sa dahilan na siya ay hindi na kayang tumayo sa sarili.
もう倒す力がないということを判断するそういうことですレフェリーストップ銀次郎力つきましたペドロ・タドラ銀を止めて王座返り咲き陥落です
タドランおめでとうですよね。
そうですねまたフィリピンに一つ王座が戻ってまいりました
よく分かりましたし、途中もうどっちかがいいものを当てたら倒れるか分かんないっていうところもありましたし、ただ私は銀次郎選手がこの状態になっても足を使う姿だとかうまくかわす姿を見て、やっぱりその銀次郎選手の強さっていうのをまた感じた瞬間だったので。
まあカシメロのコンディションも心配されるんですけれども、さあおおいきなりいったぐらついたおっとしかし右を入れた手をついたかどうだダウンかダウンです
Pagkatapos ng isang taong paghihintay, dumating din ang laban ni John Lee El Casimero laban kay Saul Sanchez. At nitong labang ito hindi benigo ni Cuadro alas ang kanyang mga
カシメロは
fans.
かなりかかっています ナイスジャブ。ジャブをここで左のフック。少しフェイントを入れましたサンチェス。そこに対して2回左。おお、サンチェスを返した。あ、左。カシメロの左が火を吹いた。2度目のダウン。サンチェス立ち上がれるか。うなずいた。カシメロが来るか。仕留めに来る。サンチェスしのげるか。ポーセ一方か。いや、返す。返している。そこに打ち込んでいくサンチェス。いや、カシメロが集めていく。左が入った。ちょっとサンチェス力ないですね。
Tinapos agad ni Casemiro ang laban sa round 1 lang.
思いっきり利かされました。残りは30秒。左を返した。右。カシメロがまた来た。このラウンドどうでしょう。しのげるか。あ、止めた。終わった。そして余裕のワンハンドプッシュアップ。
His style, he puts a lot of pressure on you, flips and bang you, beat you up.
He's kind of over his legs. He's always ready to hit you with power.
Yeah, also makes him very very susceptible in some ways.
Sa pangalawang pagkakataon, lumaban ulit si Welgen Mindoro alias Triggerman sa USA kontra isang Brazilian na si Lucas de Abreu.
Honestly, De Abreu's going backwards. He should go forward into Mindoro.
Also, loopy shots going backwards. You could hit the at the ape.
Just finished his era. Copying. Chris, uppercut there by Mindoro.
Chris, you know something about that, right? You heard of that guy?
Yeah, with Manny Pacquiao, two-fisted destroyer, comes at you at a million miles an hour. You can't find a single Filipino fighter who doesn't want to be like Manny Pacquiao. So yes, I agree, champ. You see a lot of guys mimicking that style, but there's only one Manny Pacquiao.
Dito pinatunayan niya at pinakita sa buong mundo kung gaano kalakas ang kanyang mga suntok. Tinalo niya ang Brazilian via knockout sa round 3. At si Mindoro ay isa pa ring undefeated na may 100% knockout ratio.
Is Mindoro trying to make it 13 knockouts in 13 wins.
Oh, big shot on the inside.
Right hand! This is over! Wow! What a blast from the Filipino fighter in round number 3. Just got started.
My goodness.
That was a big shot. And again, Chan, like we were saying, he's going straight back.
Early night, but I want to give everybody an opportunity to go. Let your hands go. You're in a fight. You sit back and pace. You're gonna be looking at the stars.
Almost got him there with that left.
Ang nag-iisang Mark Magnifico Magsayo naman, pinamalas ang kanyang pagiging dominante kontra Brian Mercado na isang Ecuadorian.
An experienced fighter, speed, power. He's got it. He's letting his hands go. Beautiful body shot right there. McStyles cutting the ring off right now. He just, he's just waiting. He's participating. He knows what's in front of him.
Tinapos niya agad ang laban sa round 2 via knockout.
There you go. Walked him down, beautiful shot.
Recover a little bit. Well, you know McStyles, he's experienced. He's gonna go for
There he goes again. And I'm looking at the corner of McStyles, and they seem to be a race.
So, obviously mixed. McStyles having fun in there.
This referee
got up. I thought he was just gonna stay there.
I'm surprised the corner doesn't stop it. Great stoppage.
Pagkatapos ng dalawang sunod-sunod na talo ni Gio Santissima sa bansang Japan noong taong 2023, malakas pa rin ang kanyang kalooban na lumaban, at nitong taong 2024 bumalik siya para labanan ulit ang isa pang Japanese na si Hiro Uchimichi.
まともにはもらってませんよね。
来られる自信があると、そんな話をしていた一道です。
お、ナイスショット。
パーからのコンビネーション。
さっき聞きましたね。
一道の強打
At nitong labang ito sinigurado na ng ating kababayan ang kanyang tagumpay. Tinalo niya ang kalaban via knockout sa round 3.
ガードはしっかりとしている一道です距離を取る両ハンド